Sirahan mo na to. Para maubos na.
Kumain ka.
Ay, bro, dyan. Last na, ako naubos lahat nun.
Kain na ako.
Tut mo. Wow. Ayaw mo na? Ayun, dami po. Sayang naman to.
Oo, ito pulutan.
Talaga.
Latak nga eh. Sabi ko pag latak kayo.
Panula ko. Latak. Ibig sabihin, mag-aaral na rin ako na pagkakunti lang natitira, latak na lang. Di panabay na tayo, no? Ay, balik mo na to. Latak na to eh. Panabay na eh.
Naiinumin ko yan. Hindi ako nga. Kain lang ako.
Ano, utot mo!
Oo nga, ito oh.
Mukha mo! Magsasanay na rin ako na lahat. Pagkakunti na lang lahat. Oo nga, magandang idea yan ha. Ayoko na yan, latak na yan. Latak na, ayoko na. Ayoko na kaya, ayoko na kaya, latak na kaya. Masama pala yun. My God.
Sayang mo. Alam mo kumain ka lang. Masama yan sa kalusugan. Ginagawa mo.
Wait.
Hindi pula eh. Hindi mo lang tanggalin yung may mga uod-uod eh.
Uod. Uod ka dyan. Hindi uod dyan, buto-buto yun. Oh, dami ah. 2, 4, ay hindi na kaya yung ano, 7 lang ang na-record. Cheaply to remove, yeah.
Grabe, hindi na ako. Kalahati na naman.
Saan yung takip nito?
Pag dalawa pa tayong preto nito, kaya hindi lang, maliliit lang. Masarap.
Ano ba yan? Yung ano, yung hamburger. Hamburger.
Pag malalaki, nakakalimutan.
Kadiri. Ikaw pa, nandiri. Wala iyan, mari. Oh, ba't ibang takip dito? Yun. Sa loob pala. Hindi ako binigyan kanin. Akala ko pa naman eh. Ay, bigyan kita.
Bangs, andyan na nga lahat eh.
Nasaan lahat? Wala kang kanin eh.
Kuha ka na lang eh. Langon-langon na nga ako, lalanguin mo pa ako. Lango, ang dami ka lang eh. Oh, maganda to ah!
2 guys on the roof. Every guy gets a share. 5 shares is plenty.
6 shares. Don't forget the guy who played the job.
He thinks he can sit out and still take a slice. I know why they call him the Joker.
So why do they call him a Joker? I heard he wears makeup. Makeup? Yeah, to scare people. You know, war paint.
Anong title?
Wala pa.
Ha?
Wala pa.
Nantok na ako.
Hindi, lasing.
That's funny. The guy lied to 911 who was trying to reach a private number. Is it a problem? No, I'm done here.
Obviously, we don't want you doing anything with your hair.
Batman yata yun eh. May bomba eh. Galing ah. Sino yun?
Wala na. Ayun na ka nagbalak, bro.
Magtago. Wow. Hindi tayo magtago, no?
Where did you learn to count?
So why are they coming up with like 5,000 goals? What kind of bank does that?
Mob bank. I guess the Joker's as crazy as they say. Where's the alarm guy?
Boss told me when the guy was done, I should take him out. One less share, right?
Funny, you told me something similar.
No, no!
Kung pala sila rin, nagpapatayo rin nila eh.
Bakit?
Oo, gusto ko yung ganyan kapera. Ang ganyan kadaming pera.
A lot of money. If this Joker guy was so
Pagkakainin, mahirap busin yan.
No.
I'm betting the Joker told you.
Subukan ka nang bilhin ng isang bansa yan, kulang pa yan.
No. I killed a bus driver.
Bus driver. What bus driver? School was out time ago. That's not what's up, is it? That's a lot of money. What happened to the rest of the guys?
Bunso yan eh, no?
I guess smart, huh? Who's trying to hire these?
They just do the same to you. Oh, criminals in the used to believe in
Nag-comment agad si Darwin, no?
respect.
Look at you. What do you believe in, huh? What do you believe in?
I believe whatever can kill you simply makes you stranger.
Naka-online pala si Ponting eh. Kasi mo, Konting, formang-forma pa lang, hustler na yun. Mga forma sa bilyar. Walang lalaban sa inyo. Forma pa lang, yari na sila. Ayan. Si Randy pala hubog. Uragon. Kaya kamag-anak mo yan. Kababayan mo yan. Si Uragon.
Nakaulan ba siya?
Oo. Ako, hindi naman ako manginginom. Napapagayo lang ako sa kanya eh.
Ano?
I never said any places you wanted to
Ang
go.
banda.
Business. You don't need customers. You don't like what I have to offer, you can buy from someone else. Assuming Batman left anyone to buy for me.